Hey, I'm Dr. Brian McKay, Core Health and Darien. Today I want to talk to you about the knee on track. If you've got knee pain that's just not going away, maybe you even had knee replacement, knee surgery, the knee on track is your answer. So I'd like to answer a question regarding the knee on track machine.
What's the grade of the knee on track machine, Dr. Brian?
It's a very good question. Very good question. The knee on track helps your body produce its own synovial fluid. Now, you understand why a car needs oil? Well, now you can definitely understand why your knee needs synovial fluid. Synovial fluid is a lubricant that takes the stress out of the joint, but it also calms down the inflammation and it stops the pain. Your body produces more, it's much more effective. You may have heard of these synthetic rooster shots that they're giving people for it. It's synthetic, doesn't last, maybe you get 2 months out of it. We're talking about a lifelong change in the knee pain with the knee on track. And I urge you to give it a try. All you got to do is click the QR code, set up an appointment, come in and try out the knee on track for yourself. I think you'd be very glad you did. I'm Dr. Brian McKay, Core Health and Darien. Thank you very much.
I think if you take a look at it here, is synovial fluid or knee replacement. It's a pretty big decision. Well, actually, it's not. Here's how it works. You sit down, we strap you in, there's a certain amount of tension put on the knee, gently allowing the production of synovial fluid to take out painful inflammation. You owe it to yourself to try the knee on track solution for your knee pain, even if you've had knee replacement. Got to be a year at least, though, since you've had the surgery. All you got to do is click on that QR code. It's going to cost you $47 to come try out the knee on track. What do you have to lose? More synovial fluid or knee replacement? Your decision. Go ahead, click on that QR code, and we'll see you soon. Thank you very much.